the train right now. And from what I can see, it looks really good. So I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Just in the cabin, and I just found out that this is actually a bed, and this has to like come down, and I think that turns into a bed as well. By the way, this is the train that we're going on. 5 stars, you know. And yeah, there's like a TV, some snacks and stuff. We're still like trying to put our luggage. We don't know where we're gonna put it. And yeah, it's just a bit of a hassle. Okay, well, I'll come back to you. We've just managed to like fit all the luggage up there. Why is your head always in the way? We just managed to fit all the luggage right at the top. It's kind of scary, and the beds are right there, and obviously we're just figuring out the TVs. Also, this is a first class cabin, so I'm not really sure what the other
90% of the time I have no idea what the f I'm talking about.
I mean, it's pretty small, I'm not gonna lie. But we are on a train, so I don't know what to expect, to be honest.
Pink Panther, look at that. Damn, son.
Dang. It's gonna be really hard to vlog because it's like such a small space. I'm obviously with my family, so there's 4 of us staying in this little place. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit hard. I will obviously try and like show you guys things, but yeah, a 12-hour.
There's the background music.
A 12-hour train ride.
I think it's 15 or something.
No, it's 12. The train is leaving at 7 p.m. and we're gonna get to Tehran at 7 a.m. So that's 12 hours.
Quick maths.
A lot of leather.
Slippers started to move. This is what the hallway looks like. This is fun. Oh. I'm in this train for 12 hours. We're gonna play a lot of Monopoly Deal.
Yeah.
Trying to watch Shrek. It's in Farsi. Great. They brought us cakes and tea. Lovely jubbly. Toilet time. I think it just went on the train tracks. Oopsie.